In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive chats on WhatsApp Web. Archiving is a great way to clean up your chat list without deleting anything. Your messages stay intact, and you can still receive new ones. The conversation simply moves out of sight, so your main view stays focused. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for WhatsApp Web. You can also type the official address directly if you know it. Make sure you're on the genuine site by checking for a secure connection in the address bar. A stable internet connection on both your computer and your phone will make this process smoother. On the WhatsApp web page, you'll see a QR code, and in many regions, you may also see an option to log in using your phone number. If you're using the QR code, open WhatsApp on your phone, go to the menu for linked devices, choose to link a device, and point your phone's camera at the QR code on your computer screen. Keep your phone unlocked and nearby until the screen confirms the connection. If you're using the phone number option, follow the prompts on screen to enter your number and verify it. Keep your phone handy to complete that verification. Once you're logged in, your chat list will load on the left. Pick the conversation you want to tidy away. Hover your mouse over the right side of that chat's row, near the time or date stamp. After a brief moment, a small drop-down arrow appears. Click that arrow to open the chat options. Then choose Archive Chat. The conversation will disappear from your main list and move to the archived section. You might see a quick confirmation at the bottom of the screen, which lets you know it worked. There's also an alternative way to do this. Instead of using the small arrow, right-click directly on the chat in the list and select Archive Chat from the context menu that pops up. This is often faster if you prefer using the mouse's right-click. If the arrow doesn't appear right away, make sure you're hovering on the chat row itself, on the far right side where the timestamp sits, and pause for a second. To locate your archived conversations later, look for the archived section in your chat list or simply use the search bar at the top to find the chat by name. If you ever need the conversation back in your main list, you can unarchive it from there. That's it. Your WhatsApp web chat list should now be cleaner and easier to manage.